Hello, and welcome to this video review of a BMAT genetic sample question. My name is Abs, I'm a Kaplan teacher and currently a fourth year medical student at UCL. The diagram shows the inheritance of cystic fibrosis in a family. When looking at the key, the black circle represents an affected female, the black square represents an affected male, the white circle represents an unaffected female, and the white square represents an unaffected male. Now we can turn to the diagram of the family tree. The question is, assuming that there are no new mutations, which of the individuals 1 to 6 has a genotype that cannot be determined solely from the family tree? If you want to work out this question yourself, simply pause this video and go for it. The answer is B. The question is about the inheritance of cystic fibrosis, and we need to analyze a family tree to determine which of the individual's genotypes cannot be determined solely from the family tree. We can quickly eliminate A, because as a sufferer, individual 1 must be homozygous recessive. Individuals 3 and 4 have a child who has cystic fibrosis but do not have cystic fibrosis themselves, so they must both be heterozygous. Eliminate C and D. Individual 6 has a child who is a cystic fibrosis sufferer, so he must have given the child a recessive allele. Therefore, individual 6 must be a heterozygote. Eliminate F. Individuals 1 and 2 have no children who suffer from the condition, but given individual 1 is homozygous recessive, the children, individuals 4 to 6, must have at least one recessive allele. Therefore, as 5 doesn't suffer from cystic fibrosis, he must be heterozygous. Eliminate E. This leaves B as the correct answer, which is the case because individual 2 could either be homozygous dominant or heterozygous and still have 3 children who are heterozygotes. I hope you were able to follow through quite easily with that question and explanation. Genetics questions seem hard, but with the right tactics, you can approach them with confidence and accuracy. If your interest was grabbed and you want to access more questions or get your hands on a BMAT genetics workshop, follow the links in the description box below. The BMAT genetics workshop offers targeted coaching on the genetics section of the BMAT to strengthen your confidence for test day. The workshop offers 2 hours of targeted BMAT genetics tuition at just £30. All key BMAT genetic topics are covered and extra genetics questions for the BMAT. Find out more about what we provide for complete BMAT genetics preparation. Follow this first link, also in the description box, to read more about our online BMAT genetics workshop and register for some prep. Alternatively, get your hands on free practice, access the free BMAT practice tests in the second link and also in the description box below.